Most side hustles won't exist in 2 years. Not because the economy crashed, not because people stopped buying, but because AI just got a job, and it's working 24/7 for less than your Netflix subscription. If you're making money on the side right now, you need to hear this. Because the game is changing faster than most people realize, and the ones who don't pivot in time won't just lose their hustle. They'll lose their edge entirely. Stay with me. This video could save you thousands of hours. Dropshipping was the golden ticket not long ago. Find a product, list it, run some ads, ship it from a supplier. No inventory, pure margin. Thousands of people built income streams from their laptops doing exactly this. But here's what's happening right now. AI tools are automating the entire funnel. Product research that used to take hours? Done in seconds, scanning trends, analyzing reviews, predicting demand. Product descriptions? Auto-generated. Ad copy? Done. Customer service? Chatbots handle it around the clock. So where does that leave the average dropshipper? In a race they can't win. Because the moment a task can be automated, someone with AI will do it faster, cheaper, and at a scale you can't match manually. The hustle isn't dead, but the manual version of it is on life support. Next, freelance writing. This one it's different because a lot of people thought creativity was safe. And look, nuanced, strategic writing still is. But the bulk of freelance work, blog posts, product descriptions, email sequences, social captions, that's already being handed to AI by thousands of businesses right now. Why pay a writer $150 for a blog post when an AI can produce a clean first draft in 30 seconds? Clients are asking that question, and they're getting their answer. The freelancers who are thriving aren't the ones writing more. They're the ones who learn to manage AI, prompting it, editing it, shaping output into something that actually sounds human and converts. That's a completely different skill set, and most writers haven't made the switch yet. Third, basic graphic design. Canva templates, social media graphics, simple logos, product mockups. This was a solid gig for people with a decent eye and a few spare hours. Not anymore. AI image generation has crossed a threshold. Midjourney, Adobe Firefly, Canva's own AI tools, producing studio-quality visuals in under a minute. Clients who used to hire designers for basic work are now doing it themselves. The designers still winning? They're not making graphics. They're building brand strategies. They're directing AI output. They're doing work that requires taste, judgment, and business context. Things AI can't replicate on its own. If your design work could be described as template-based, your timeline just got shorter. So why is all of this collapsing so fast? 2 words, speed and cost. AI doesn't sleep. It doesn't have off days. It doesn't need onboarding, benefits, or a revision round because it misunderstood the brief. And the cost to run it? Fractions of what a freelancer charges. Businesses aren't choosing AI over humans because they hate humans. They're choosing it because the math is undeniable. And as the tools get better, which they will every single month, that gap widens. The tasks AI couldn't do last year, it's doing today. The tasks it can't do today, it will handle by next year. That's not a prediction. That's the pattern we've already seen play out. But here's the part most people miss. AI doesn't eliminate opportunity. It relocates it. The people who are going to win over the next 2 years aren't the ones doing the tasks AI replaced. They're the ones running AI, directing it, building systems around it, finding the gaps between what AI produces and what humans actually need. That's where the new income streams live. AI operators, people who know how to build and run automated workflows for businesses. That's already a skill companies are paying for, and demand is accelerating. Creators who use AI to produce content at scale while injecting real personality and strategy. They're building audiences and income that a robot alone never could. And strategists, people who understand how to apply AI to a specific industry, a specific problem, a specific goal. That consulting skill is worth more now than it's ever been, because most businesses have access to the tools but have no idea how to actually use them. The side hustle economy isn't dying. It's being rebuilt from the ground up. The question isn't whether AI will change what you do. It already has. The real question is whether you're going to be the one using it, or the one being replaced by someone who is. If this video hit different, share it with someone still running a hustle the old way. And subscribe, because every week on this channel, we break down exactly how to position yourself on the right side of this shift.